In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get Agoda Cashback rewards. First, log into your Agoda account using the app or website. Make sure you're signed in because cashback rewards only apply to logged-in users. Next, go to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a currency drop-down right next to your profile. Click on it. Then, from the list, look for Cashback Rewards. Click on it. This will take you to the Cashback window. As you can see, my cashback amount says 0 as I don't have any cashbacks now. But if you have a cashback, you can check it from here. You can also claim your cashback using your Agoda mobile app. To do that, go to Play Store or App Store on your mobile phone, go to the search bar and search for Agoda and click Install. After that, open the app and make sure you're signed in. Then open your profile. From the options, click Cashback Rewards, and there you can see your cashbacks if you have any, and if you don't have any cashback, you'll see 0, just like me. You can use your cashback on future bookings made through Agoda. And that's it. That's how you get Agoda Cashback Rewards. Thanks for watching.